Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well and studying well as well. So 3 days back, I had an interview with the PwC SDC. So I felt like sharing my experience with you all. So interview one day before interview, I was going into that a bit panic zone that what will happen, what if I'll just get stuck, what if I won't be able to answer. Then I just calm myself as I keep on guiding you all. So the same way I calm myself down that look Neha, if it's meant for you, you'll get that. If it's not, then you'll get something better. So either this or something better. So this way I was convinced and I calm myself. So on 18th my interview was scheduled. So at 12 interview begins. There were two partners, and they let me know that this interview is bifurcated into three phases. So first, I had to explain about myself, like the basic question, tell me about yourself. And then the second phase was a technical round, and then it was an open forum that I was allowed to ask any questions if I have any. So the interview begins. First, they both introduce themselves, and then I was asked to introduce myself. So first, my basic introduction was that I'm Neha. I'm recently qualified chartered accountant, and I did my articleship from so and so place. And then thereafter, I worked with two firms. So it was a basic introduction, and then I made sure to mention that what USP I have or what extra I am doing. So there, I mentioned about that I am a content creator on LinkedIn. I have 18 or 19,000 followers there, and also I have a YouTube channel where I mentor CA students regarding exams or the basic communication skills, and there I have 8,000 subscribers now. And also I was reset till now, I was also a member at public speaking club specifically for CA students. Also I am a content writer working with 8-10 startups in spreading their brand awareness, writing their website copy and blogs. So after this, they were looking bit impressive. They were a bit impressed that okay, I'm doing a lot of things. So one of the partners said, okay, so we are interviewing a celebrity today. So I said, yeah, can say. So this was all about myself, and then the those, because I mentioned something what extra I was doing. So the first 4 or 5 questions were related to all these things only. So first they asked me that what type of content you create on YouTube. The second question, how do you manage to learn this skill of content writing, from where you learned all of these skills? So I mentioned that people many times they do not understand the power of YouTube and Google. I learned everything from there only. And if one use YouTube and Google and internet effectively, you can learn and get into a side hustle easily. So their third question was that how do you manage to get this much followers on LinkedIn? What was your strategy? So I just mentioned that I was doing out of the passion. So I had no pressure to gain the followers. I was never writing anything just to gain the followers. I was just venting my heart out, and I was consistent with the process. And because I love writing, so I was consistently doing it without thinking that will someone notice my content or not. So they were like, okay. So 4 5 questions were regarding this thing only, and then the technical round begins. So the technical questions, my profile was assurance. So the questions were like, uh, what are assertions? What are the type of assertions? Explain substantive procedures. Explain materiality, types of materiality, and elaborate a bit about India's 115 revenue model, that 5 step model. And then what is cutoff procedures, how you will record the revenue as per 115 considering cutoff procedures. And then next question was, how will you audit the accounts receivable, how will you audit the debtors, and then how will you verify the bank balances, how will you verify the cash, and what is the entry for provision for doubtful debts, how will you create the provision for doubtful debts, what's the entry of outstanding rent. So as far as I can recall, these were the questions, and then I had to quote examples of almost everything, and then a basic about what work I did in my articleship. And then it was an open forum, and I was allowed to ask a question. So here's a tip which I learned when I was preparing for the interview, watching a lot of videos, that whenever any interviewer asks, do you have any question for us? Say yes and ask any question. Don't be like, no, I don't have any question. This shows your disinterest. If you say that I do not have any question, it says first thing what it's apparent from this answer that first you are not thorough with the interview preparation, you haven't prepared well, and the second you are not interested in your profile, you're not interested in the company. So I asked the question that if I join this organization, so in the initial days, in the first 30 days, what as per you should be my key focus areas, or what skill I should possess before joining. So this was my question, and to this they answered that uh, whatever you have told about yourself so far, we have understood that you are good at almost everything and you are proactive. But don't worry too much about this. Every fresher get a jotted down list or a checklist that this should be your key focus areas, and also you will be trained for that. So relax, live in the moment, don't worry too much about the things. So that was all. Then I was asked to tell my preferred location for the company, and then they told that for busy for the when the during the busy season we have a long working hours, so are you comfortable with that? So to that I mentioned I'm very well aware of the fact that even in the closing when we were working in articleship we have to stay till late, so I'm well prepared for that. That's perfectly fine. So in the last he mentioned that I can see that you are doing so many things and you are good at almost everything, so kudos for that. That's pretty impressive because in CA students we do not usually see a lot of things they are doing along with their studies. So that was all. I hope you got to learn something from this. So one tip from this, if you can take with yourself, is be confident. You know, I know that I might not be technically sound as so many people, but I was confident enough, and I was in a very smiley and a calm mood throughout the interview. I did not panic, even if I do not know the answer. I mentioned that there was a question they asked. I have never been into that position in my articleship period. I said that I was not in this situation during my articleship, but अगर मैं होती तो मैं ये करती. So instead of saying कि मुझे पता ही नहीं है इसका आंसर क्या है, मुझे कोई क्लू ही नहीं है, उसकी जगह I said this. So even when the interview was done, he mentioned that we can see that you are a very calm person. You do not take a lot of stress. So that's a good thing you have. So that was all for my interview. And by evening, I got the notification that I am selected for that. So within a few days, and gave the confirmation for that too. So within few days, I'll get my confirmation, not offer letter. So within few days, I'll get my offer letter too. So that was all for this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.